Hey, I'm Sid. On this episode of Subalpinism, we're gonna go on 3 early season powder missions. The first one was up the North Shore on a freak October powder day. The second one was up Round Mtn after it snowed 80 centimeters overnight. And the third one is a more full group mission up Shovelnose. So make sure you stick around for that one. I think it's the gem of the bunch. It may not look like it down here, but up in the mountains, it's full-fledged winter already. So stick around, enjoy the episode. Subalpinism. It's about 10 p.m. October 24th. Check out the Cypress snow state cam. It snowed about 15 centimeters up there, it looks like. I think it's time to take the skis out. I think 15 centimeters on rocks, that should be good. It's gonna be an interesting sunrise. Well, it's 5:45 in the morning. Looks like a storm stalled out over the North Shore. It was only supposed to snow a couple centimeters, but it's been snowing nonstop for like 24 hours, so we'll go up there and see if it's skiable. This is hilarious. There's like a foot of snow up here. Skinning from the car on Cypress, October 24th. Whatever day it is. Maybe it's the 25th. So sick. This is awesome. Still lightly snowing up here. There's like a foot of snow. It's like complete coverage. I'm gonna hit rocks, but that's what rock skis are for. Doing October turns all year in style. All right, this is a pretty sheltered area here. Just gonna take a snow depth reading. Oh, we're right to 120 there. There's 8 centimeters before the 45 mark. So then we're gonna count 13, 18, 23, 28, 33 centimeters. 33 centimeters on the North Shore. Well, made it to the top. It's pretty wind affected. Yeah, just got to avoid the rocky patches and should get some pockets of really good powder skiing, which is hilarious to say. It's definitely not what I thought I was signing up for this morning. Just gonna use some of my warm weather wax to rub on top of this dirt. And yeah, we'll take these rock skis for a rip. What's going on the bottom of my skis? Woo! Woo! Not bad for October. Next up's an afternoon of skiing at Round Mtn. Don't forget to subscribe for more ski-related content. Hey, I'm just sitting here right now, just obsessively checking the weather at Whistler. It is nuking. They're calling a meter tonight, and other forecasts in different areas around the local sea to sky zone are calling for between a meter and a meter 75 by Sunday. I gotta get to bed. It's like 11 p.m. Head up Round tomorrow and then Shovelnose Sunday. We'll slam the whole pack of cliff blocks, a bit of slush in the parking lot, up Round Mtn. Go see how much slush is up there. All right, first proper winter lap. Woohoo! Woo! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Woo! Yeah! Well, that was not a bad first proper winter run of the year. It's November 11th, Remembrance Day. Just got to the top of Round Mtn. There's about 70 centimeters of snow up here. Just socked in and started nuking. Coverage is so sick. It was bare yesterday, and I mean, what more can you ask for? This is a good base for the season. This is a little hard. Woo! Oh! Woo! Woo! Oh! Woo! Woo! Man, that feels good to ride snow again. I mean, proper snow. Just nuking out too. The snow quality is actually pretty dang good. It's like that firm base with some nice light snow on top. Definitely right side up. And just a cruise down the Forest Service road to the car. Seems like the temperature dropped a bit. It's snowing pretty soft now, and tomorrow's gonna be epic. Oops. Definitely skied across the rocks a bit. That's pretty backcountry. Got some waterfalls, got some snow, got some valley and some eagles. What's your bet for the snow total?
69.
Almost at the end of the road to start the other road.
Sick.
Just about at 700 meters elevation. Snow's starting to pile up.
Don't wanna put my jeans on.
Singing the No Chains song.
I don't wanna put my shoes on.
Make like a pop punk song.
Yeah.
Don't wanna put my chains on.
Don't wanna do it because I'm lazy.
Don't wanna do it cause it's hard and my feet'll get wet.
It's cold.
That looks fucking sick. Woo! We're in the mountains.
Look how nice that is.
Wasn't even expecting views today.
Don't stop, boys. Don't stop.
Might have to put our chains on.
I have to put my jeans on. Fuck!
They're going higher. You're crushing it.
So far. Ah!
Just like Ontario driving.
Just like Ontario.
Sick, I think we made it.
Am I gonna be the tiniest car up here?
Oh, hell yeah. Get some pow.
Fuck yeah.
Where are you turning your beacon on?
At a bend. One of them. There'll be a few of them. We'll pick one.
What's your goal for the day?
Ski. 60 months, bro.
I think I could get back to the car in 4 minutes if Kaylee blew. Bro, I wouldn't transition. I'd just speed skin. That would be something. Super nice following a skin track for a change. Gotta say though, people at Black Diamond were not considering sea to sky snow, and they said it won't stick to these new top sheets. No riser gang, eh Reese?
It's not even a riser, it's a fucking stick.
It's forging a new trail. Yo, grind it. Yeah!
Oh yeah.
Winter's here!
Hungry? Yeah. Let's have a snacker then.
Maybe while you guys have a snack, I'll skin up there. Following the rules today, still below the tree line. First run on the new skis. Looking pretty proper. Subalpinism. First run on the new skis. Woo! Woo! Oh no!
I hit hard, bro.
Fuck!
It was inevitable.
Woo! Rock! Not bad.
So fun.
Yeah.
So nice.
So nice to ski again.
was all right.
Man. Woo. That was beautiful.
Sweet.
That is nice. Hey, best turns of the year, boys.
So far. Woo! Fuck yeah.
Nice.
Well, that is 5 years, man. I'm hype about that. Nice.
Oh!
Awesome.
Pretty sick line for the first snowstorm. Can't complain about that. I was transitioning up here for a second lap. The peak there looks super cool, just poking out of the clouds. Woo!
It'd be so much fun with a little bit more snow.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
The nice thing is this is a perfect base.
Oh yeah.
The next time this solidifies up a bit and we get a bit of fucking 20, 30 on top.
It's supposed to snow 20 tonight.
Really?
Yeah. Woo! Woo! Oh! Woo! Sticks are okay. Ski where the sticks are. It means there's no rocks. Just telling Nick to watch out for sticks.
Yeah, really though. I appreciate that, thank you. Sometimes I forget, so I always appreciate the reminder.
You should send me the picture.
Yeah.
This joke was in reference to a bit of an early season incident that Nick had last year. We were coming down a stupid way off of Gin Peak with not enough coverage, and he ended up getting impaled in the leg with a stick. Crazy thing is, he's such a trooper, he didn't even notice it for like 600 or 700 meters vert until we'd already got the peak and skied back down. At which point, he realized there was a stick in his leg. We decided to leave it in. He skied all the way back to the car. Once he got to his friend's house, they pulled it out of his leg. Never went to the hospital, never got infected. Anyways, I got a few photos of it. Log!
This is assholery.
I'm on a log! Woo!
You gotta see my tech. My tech is fucking ultimate. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh. Got it?
Yaris! Just that November clear cut, pal. Ah! Yeah! That actually wasn't as horrible as I thought it was gonna be by a lot.
My technique was perfect.
Your tech was sick as heck, bruh. You looked like good there. These are definitely less maneuverable than the bent chets. The bent chets are way better in that shit.
Yeah.
They have more float and they're shorter. That line across the valley's gnar.
Yeah.
That's sick.
It looks awesome.
That's some subalpinist shit, Reese. We should do it.
That is some subalpinism.
Woo! Woo! Hello. Passing him on the corner. Someone wrecked all the snow. Oh, my new skis.
Sorry, man. I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
I was just joking. Okay.
Well, that's it for this one. Thanks so much for watching. When I told Reese the gear video did as well as it did, his response was, wow, people are really a bunch of nerds, aren't they? Nerds or not, really appreciate all the new subscribers. Gonna have plenty of content coming out this winter. Today I'm just going on a really cruisy run. Tomorrow I'll be doing the same because we're gonna be going on a big mission on Sunday, which I'll make a video about. Yeah, maybe let me know what kind of content you enjoy best, whether it's big missions or gear reviews or whatnot. I'm gonna make content about big ski missions regardless, because that's my favorite stuff to do, but maybe I'll add a little bit more on here and there, the other stuff. Anyways, that's all for now. Hopefully next time I talk to you, it'll be from the top of a big line. Peace. 33 centimeters on the North Shore.